Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of a MOFI case I purchased on AliExpress for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, we're back with a MOFI case. I am quite happy with MOFI cases. They tend to do some pretty cool design in terms of materials. And when I say material, as you can see from the packaging, they're very good at doing cardboard packaging, which is very environmentally friendly. And on the inside of the case, we see some really nicely branded MOFI bag on the inside for the case. Let's just open this up and see what's inside. So the case I purchased for the Redmi Note 10 is one of the newer ones, which has a nice soft material back within a silicone case. And it's a hard case on the back, so it gives you plenty of protection for the phone. And it is a softer rubber around the edges. Now, there's a little bit of detailing here telling you what model this is for. So this is for the Redmi Note 10. You can see there's camera cutouts for the camera module of the Redmi Note 10, and everything else is as expected. Now, this is a new trend that we're seeing in phone cases where it's not just a cutout for the camera module, it actually covers everything that isn't functional in the camera module. So your cameras still work well, but they have that extra protection to avoid damaging those camera modules, which are getting bigger and bigger and sometimes squarer and squarer in the middle or in the back of smartphones. So I'm going to put the case onto the phone. It clips in beautifully easily, as you can see, and first impressions are it doesn't add any weight to any discernible weight to the phone itself. The camera modules, as you can see, are well cut out here, so everything should be as expected. There's a little bit of detailing with MOFI in what feels like leather at the bottom right of the case. And turning over the device, you'll see that the on-off button, which is also the fingerprint reader, works like a treat. No issues there. I just put my finger down, it unlocks. And just as you'd expect on a device like the Redmi Note 10, it is very fast. Not only that, the volume buttons, they work fine. No stickiness here. They just work. And that's pretty much it in terms of buttons, because that's all there is on the Redmi Note 10. Let's look at the cutout. So there's that cutout for the microphone and speaker hole at the top of the phone. There's the cutout for the extra microphone and infrared blaster at the top as well. Everything as expected. At the bottom we have the appropriate cutouts for the speaker, the microphone, the courage port, that's a 3.5mm audio jack, and the USB Type-C port. So all the cutouts are where they should be. There is also an extra bit of detailing with a loop for a lanyard. So if you're someone who likes wearing their smartphone on a lanyard, you have the little thread loop for that. And overall, feel is very, very nice. It's soft back, very pleasant to use. And there's a bit of ribbing at the bottom half of the sides, which is good because it makes it less slippery. You can also feel where the bottom of the phone is through that. So I can say with quite a lot of certainty after just a few minutes of using this case that I think this is going to be my new favorite case for the Redmi Note 10, and I'll actually see if I can get something similar for my Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G, which has a silicone case which is starting to get a bit bumped, scratched and stained. But this soft finish material is very nice. What I'll do is put a link in the description to where you can purchase this case on AliExpress from MOFI's factory store on AliExpress. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to ask any questions or leave any feedback, leave us a comment in the section below. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thank you for watching and goodbye from me.